The Brightline train is now unveiling its new station in Orlando, Florida. The new station is meticulously designed and built through the lens of today's modern traveler, says the Brightline. The 37,000 square foot station located at Orlando International Airport's new 80,000 square foot train station is adjacent to Terminal C, parking spaces located for Brightline guests. There's the Mary Mary Bar, serving handcrafted cocktails and light bites. There's also the Marketplace, a retail experience with convenient in-station shopping for last-minute gifts, sundries, refreshments. Brightline offers two classes of service, Smart and Premium. Brightline's premium service includes complimentary meals, snacks, and beverages, and a dedicated first-class lounge, which you can see looks beautiful. Throughout this station, the guests are going to have access to free high-speed Wi-Fi, charging stations at every seat, an 87 big-screen television, and a bright kids' children's play area located in the Smart Lounge. Passengers will access trains by escalator or elevator to first-level platforms. These platforms are 1,000 feet long and can accommodate a train with up to 10 coaches and 2 locomotives. Now, the Orlando to South Florida train schedule details are as such. Service will begin in summer 2023 and will include 16 daily round trips with hourly departures between Miami and Orlando. Regular service from Orlando to Miami will stop at all Brightline stations, including West Palm Beach, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, and Aventura, with a runtime of 3 hours and 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. As always, I'm Brad Hines.